Hi friends. So friends, in this video we're going to know what will be the price for making the wall molding designs and what are the advantages for interior designs of wall molding. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to your channel. So let's continue to the topic. Wall molding, also known as the wall trim, it is a decorative features that enhance the aesthetics and functionality of a room. So there are some key advantages of wall molding into your wall designs. Like first one is wall molding such as crown molding, chair rails or wainscoting provides a touch of sophistication and timeless beauty to any room. They comes in a various designs from minimalist to ornate, allowing you to complement your interior style whether it's modern, classic or transitional. Moldings can visual interest by breaking up large walls, surfacing and defining different designs. Like in this video you can see there are the beautiful designs. So friends, now we will know what will be the price for making this type of designs. The cost of wall molding designs in India varies depending on the materials and the design complexity. Like if you want to make stone or brick wall panels, it will cost around almost 100 rupees to 200 rupees per square feet depending on the material and the finish. And you can make the moldings with the PVC panels which starts from 50 rupees per square feet, and if you want 3D designs around, so it will cost around 150 rupees. Even you can make the MDF panels starts with 170 rupees per square feet and plus extra installation charges, so around it will cost around 250 rupees per square feet. And another molding which comes in a laminate, it will cost around 65 rupees to 120 rupees per square feet. So labor and customization such as intricate patterns or unique finish can increase the cost, and prices can also vary based on location and provider. So friends, let me know that if you like the designs or if you want more details you can ask me in the comment section. This type of molding designs has become nowadays a popular because it adds dimensionality to the flat walls, making a room feel more dynamic and complete. They can draw attention to key architectural elements. Also, it protects the walls like damage preventions. Moldings often act as a buffer for areas that experience the beautiful interior designs. Moldings or panel molding can be used to create more formal or casual atmosphere depending on the material and the design. Even moldings can be painted in contrasting or complementary colors to add depth or create striking visual. Homes with the well-installed moldings often appear more luxurious and well finished, increasing their market value. The buyers appreciate the craftsmanship and detail molding adds to a property, and you can easily change the style of your molding or repaint it to refresh your interior without significant renovation. Compared to other major designs upgrades, moldings are relatively cost effective for the visual impact they provide. Nowadays, there are the popular types of wall molding is crown molding, installed where walls meets the ceiling, chair rail wainscoting, picture rail baseboards, protect the lower wall and provide a clean transition between walls and floorings. They comes in a different designs from minimalist to ornate, allowing you to complement your interior style. So friends, If you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section. I will see that I can give all your answers, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So when you're doing the wall moldings, you first properly plan your designs, select the best walls you want to do the designs. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, because in this channel you will get the latest and modern interior tips and ideas. And if you like my videos, then please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.